Welcome to the next section of the course, Royal Run. Royal Run is an endless runner where we'll be procedurally generating physics-based objects that the player actually has to dodge. Now that we have a fundamental understanding of the Unity game engine in C#, here's where we're really going to start to ramp up our Unity game engine and programming skills. The game design that I'm shooting for Royal Run is a player experience where the player can basically dodge physics-based obstacles on a shaky bridge. I'd really like our core mechanic to be focused on a procedurally generated level. But the main game loop that I'd like to focus on from a player experience perspective is just lasting as long as possible, picking up power-ups to either speed us up or get to different checkpoints to give us more time. It's probably the most programming-centric section of this course. That means we're going to focus on things like procedural generation, a lot to do with rigid body physics and using the physics engine inside of Unity. That's going to cover things like physics materials or handling different types of collision inside of Unity. We're also going to talk about animator transitions, things like actually getting our player running and tripping if we actually hit or trip over an obstacle, for example. We're going to cover things like inspector attributes to give us things like tooltips and headers in our inspector. There is so much C# that we're going to cover, but here's just a few to get you excited about some of the things you'll learn. We're going to be covering things like lists, as well as fancy words that programmers like to use, things like inheritance or dependency injection, and a lot of new keywords that we haven't actually covered yet to use some built-in Unity methods. There's a lot to do and learn inside of this section, and so there's really no more time to waste. When you're ready to dive in, I'll see you in the first lecture.